This picture says it all. After you use the spray and spray the bugs, the animal, whatever it is, you do you actually eat with that mask on that you spray the bugs with? Well, let's look a little deeper into it. If you spray in these plants with these sprays, don't you think that the plant is absorbing them? Don't you think the plant is actually absorbing it? So if it's actually killing the animals, the bugs, the worms, and every other thing, what do you think it's actually doing to you? Many people use these things and spray their ground, their weeds, and all they're doing is mess up their soil, and then when they done, they tell you they're growing organic food. Well, let me make it a little clearer for you. After you pollute your soil, you will need to work on that soil to bring it back to life before you could talk about organic. All right? So, do you also eat these with the mask on after spraying the animal and the bugs? Do you? Please answer truthfully and think about this video. I hope this video can touch somebody and let this see. I hope this video can motivate somebody, open up somebody's eyes and let them see what is actually happening. Because you're using this thing to spray the bugs, the animal, whatever, and you have a mask on. But do you put on the mask when you actually eating it? This picture said it all. When you spray, the plant absorb whatever you spraying. Sometimes it fell to the root and the root suck that whatever you spraying. All right, so be mindful. Peace.